The Universal Children's Day is being celebrated throughout the country today. Full stop. The theme for this year's celebration is children and youth together, a new era. Full stop. The community of developed and industrialized countries may have much to celebrate, but the third world community will only highlight its failure to look after its young. Full stop. UNICEF's picture of the 1000 million children under its program is dark and depressing. Full stop. 10% of the children in the third world will die before they are a year old, 5% will not reach the age of 5, 4 out of 5 have no modern health care. Full stop. Even if they do manage to physically survive these odds, 2 out of 5 will not receive any schooling, 4 out of 5 will live in surrendering devoid of any basic water and sanitation facilities, any will be confined to refugee camps, and there will be a bigger population of children to suffer these conditions. Full stop. The picture grows darker to include striking comparisons of world priorities. Full stop. The UNICEF's annual budget is equivalent to 4 hours of world military expenditure. Full stop. Paragraph. In Pakistan, about 120 children out of every 1000 do not celebrate their first birthday. Full stop. In Sweden, the ratio is 7 out of 1000. Full stop. 75 lakh children are not receiving any schooling. Full stop. This is no help to UNESCO's target of achieving full literacy by the year 2000. Full stop. Only 35 of our rural child population live within a 2-mile radius of medical care. Full stop. Our family planning program has not made a breakthrough, and our vaccination drive has not achieved its target. Full stop. The total picture cannot exclude the elements of child begging, child labor and child lifting, which have taken away the right of being a child from a considerable section of our population. Full stop. Seen against this background, the Universal Children's Day is hardly an occasion for celebration. Full stop. Let us not conjure up more glaring contradictions of glamorous ceremonies in 5 years, 5-star hotels, on the one hand, and the state of the children in Kachi Abadis nearby, on the other. Full stop. The depressing facts show that we have failed to provide basic medical and educational facilities for our children. Full stop. Promising speeches, individual acts of charity and UNESCO's contributions can only supplement, not substitute for, non-existent systems. Full stop. We must seriously review a situation where our children have slim chances of physical survival and illiteracy cripples their chances of useful and purposeful existence if they do full stop. As the theme of the Universal Children's Day suggests, the youth should be involved in the social welfare activities, full stop. They must have awareness of the problem of their country, full stop. They should be in motivation of their education and careers, full stop. Volunteer teachers and fresh graduate doctors can contribute to bringing education and health care to rural areas which are at the cradle stage of development, full stop. Involving our youth population in such programs will provide theme, them with a motivation, and will make them more responsible citizens, full stop. We can hope that they will be able to give their children a better existence than we have, full stop. More work and less speeches would perhaps be a good theme for Universal Children's Day next year, full stop.